Okay, now look, this is not the video to talk about who did what or who has what or whatever, okay? In possession, all right, as far as like this crime or whatever, okay, of what's going on. Well, I'll say in terms of what's going on with these YSN and YSL groups. I'm talking about what is going on present tense and what I feel that is right and wrong of what's going on at this particular point in time. Okay, I forgot her name already. What is Fani? Damn, somebody correct me if I'm Fani Willis. Okay, Fani Williams, the Fulton County, Atlanta district prosecutor. Okay, is receiving threats and allegedly from the YSL and YSN groups. Furthermore, I've been following this case vaguely, that this got to where it's supposed to be a line of people in that group. Then both groups are going to want to tell on Young Thug, okay, and their life is in danger, okay, of Young Thug, because you know they fear. All right. Now back to, this is not, I don't think this is a good time out there in Atlanta, okay, about what's going on in this case. Now, the district attorney, all right, I saw some interviews and she was saying that they know where she stayed, this and that, okay, and they had to beef up security for this woman at around the district attorney's office, the courts, and around her home, okay, close to her home, with security, all right, in fear for her life. Now, one thing I didn't know was it was more crime than I thought. 75 or 80% of the crimes in Atlanta, Georgia, is from these two groups, okay? So, hey, she's gonna do what she got to do to get these guys off the streets. I feel like that she's more than likely got a battery in her back, okay, and so to get these guys off the street. But if you put these people, okay, and I think that women are being weaponized against men, but particularly black men in court, okay, but women all together, all right. But if you put them in that situation, although whether they have a battery in their back or not, okay, and I think this woman has a battery in her back, okay, they're gonna get you, and they're gonna do that for the sake of the women and children in that community. Now, this is just how I feel about Young Thug. I believe that it wouldn't be as bad as it would be if he would have had his due process. I feel as though he did not have his due process. Now, from what my research is, he hadn't had a charge in 5 years, since it was something about a concealed weapon, all right, illegal concealment of weapons case, all right, that he's denied bail. The way I feel like it should happen, and maybe this is the reason why I'm not in courts or whatever, okay, that a guy with that kind of money, he shouldn't even be in jail. He should be in house arrest, all right, until they are able to get the DA and the courts, okay, the state are able to get this matter resolved, him and Gunner, okay. But you also, and I'm going to do another part on this case, because even if you are associated with it, then you are still guilty by association, okay. But I believe that he should have bail. I believe that this is some BS and he got screwed. Again, I'm not saying what he did do and what he didn't do, but there's no proof of what he did in 5 years, okay. But here's what I want to leave you with. I'm thinking, if they got you by the short hairs, okay, and if you're about to serve time, or if you are pending some type of like an indictment, you're indicted and you are pending time, you can't be making threats to these law enforcement or these judges, okay, be it black or white. It's not a black or white thing here, because these are the people that are going to determine your fate, Okay? It makes no sense. Okay? You threaten people that try to help you. All you could do, the best thing to do is probably to talk when you're make your deposition, get a good lawyer, talk when it's your time to talk, and if you're wrong, you're wrong. Okay? That's what the guys need to do, is to get those guys together, okay, and just admit whoever did what they did and so forth, and just get